Bloomberg technology is really the industry standard for the finance world. Over 300,000 users worldwide. For our students to have access to that here before they even head into their careers, that really gives them the edge.
Having Bloomberg terminal experience and being able to put that on my resume gives me a tremendous amount of confidence walking into an interview or first day on the job.
When I knew that the school was getting Bloomberg Terminal, I couldn't be more excited. When you do a theory and practice at the same time, it's like click.
It's definitely easier to learn a concept hands-on. To have access to Bloomberg, we're able to take everything that we're learning and actually see how it is to interact with the market.
Having the Bloomberg technologies here at Kean University not only improves our coursework, but it opens up the Bloomberg Market Concepts credential to all of our students, which is really a game changer for anyone going into business.